In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account manually in Microsoft Authenticator using a secret key. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Give it a second to load the main screen. You should see any accounts you've already added, plus a clear option to add something new. Look for the plus icon labeled Add Account, typically near the top of the screen, and tap it. This opens the setup options for new sign-ins. From the list, choose Other Account. This option is perfect when your service isn't specifically listed, or when you've been given a setup key to type in yourself. Next, select Enter Code manually. We're going to use the secret key that your service provided, often found in that service's security or two-factor authentication settings. You'll see two fields. In the first one, enter the account name. This is just a label inside your app, so pick a name that will make sense to you later, like the service name or a short description. It doesn't need to match anything on the website. It's purely for your own organization and clarity. Now move to the secret key field. Carefully type or paste the key exactly as it was provided. Pay close attention to every character. Watch out for lookalikes such as the letter O versus the number 0, or uppercase I versus lowercase l. If the key includes spaces for readability, the app usually ignores them, but it's safest to keep the formatting consistent with what you were given. Don't add extra characters, and avoid accidental trailing spaces when pasting. When both fields look correct, tap Finish. The app will create the account entry and take you back to the main screen. You should now see a new tile for the account, displaying a 6-digit code that refreshes automatically every few seconds. That code is what you'll use when the service asks for your verification step during sign-in. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Keep your secret key private. Treat it like a password and avoid sharing or storing it in places that others can access. If a login doesn't accept your code, double-check that the secret key was entered exactly, including all characters, and confirm you selected the correct account name so you're reading the right code. Also make sure your device time is accurate, since time-based codes rely on it. That's it. You've successfully added an account to Microsoft Authenticator using a secret key.